Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to factory reset your laptop.
TecXpansion.
This one here is an MSI gaming laptop, but it'll be pretty much the same across the board. To begin, you're going to want to open the system settings. From there, to make it quick and easy, go ahead and type in the search bar reset. To completely factory reset your PC, select Remove Everything. You'll have another pop-up arise, which will ask if you'd like to reinstall Windows via cloud download or local install. Select Local Install. Go ahead and confirm the reset, and after a short period of waiting for your PC to remove all data and restart, you should be all good to go with the factory reset. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you learn something, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Subscribe for more content like this, and be sure to tune in next time.
TecXpansion.